Last night I made tea for my family. I cut my onions up and peeled the carrots. I chopped the chicken. I sweat the onions first. Then I fried off the rest of my ingredients.
Did you say this bit?
I steamed my noodles in a pan. It's all cooked and ready to go. Here's my finished meal. Mum and Dad said it was very tasty.